because this is not the time that we usually start. So I will see y'all in a bit. All right, so right now I am just about to cook breakfast and wake the kids up. So I'm about to let my hair down because the girl got a few errands to run and I got some work to do. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, it's 11:50. We are starting super late, but that is the perks of going to school, homeschool, online. You set your schedule the way that you want to. So we didn't start at the normal traditional 8 o'clock. So let's just say hey, everybody.
Hey.
All right, this is Kayla, and they are logging on to school. Their setup is still the same right now, but that will change soon. They're logging in.
I'm gonna check out my web mail first.
Yes, because you have emails. I've already had checked them. And Nisi's
Don't tell me what they are.
computer is coming tomorrow. All right, so Kayla has, let's see if we can zoom in. First day of school. Click first day of school. Well, go to your planner. Go to up. Click planner.
Okay. Welcome first day of school.
All right, that's what you have. Now I want you to go to your email. All right, so you got welcome to second grade. So you're gonna watch your teacher really quick.
Yay. My computer's too slow.
Kayla's teacher. Can you hear?
But I just wanted to say,
Welcome
hey,
to second grade.
my name is Miss Lake, and I'm going to be
So
your
a shout out to
second grade
everybody
teacher
who
this
is in
year.
second grade and has Miss Lauren Lake.
I'm so excited.
All right, guys, so this is math. She just opened it up. And
Hello, my dear. I am Coccinella Magnifica Ladybug. But
she's getting started on math.
Ladybug.
And Nisi, she is,
Trying to figure out how many spots.
you got lots of to read, girl. But you guys, the setup is totally different. It did not look like this at all. It looks so much cleaned up. Not that it looked bad the first time, but I like it now. So they are eating lunch. I went and grabbed lunch, as y'all seen. Kayla's on her last lesson. What lesson are you on, Kayla?
I think language arts or either social
It
studies.
was like science
Mama,
or social studies. And what are you on?
Math.
I love
I'm
this.
still on the same page.
You still on the verse one?
Yes,
Oh
that's
my
how
gosh.
long this is taking.
It
I've
was
been
probably
frustrated.
You're frustrated on the first day?
Yes. I haven't even made it to the quick check yet.
I got an A and a C.
You got a C. Well, pay
She
attention.
thought she had got a bad grade.
Well,
I tricked her.
really.
McDonald's.
All right, you guys, so I am about to do my work. It's 1:58 p.m. I haven't started. Well, I did some last night, so I don't think I only have like 2 things to do. So I'm about to get started on my work, and yeah. Hey guys, so Kayla is about to do her quick check for science, so let's get into it. So number one is match the science skill with its definition. So number 1, classify. Is it look carefully, put things in groups, or use what you know to figure something out?
Carefully put things in groups.
No, which one is it? A or B?
B.
Okay.
What?
Kayla, what is observe? Number 2. Look carefully, put things in groups, or use what you know to figure something out. Observe. You do it like, I'm observing you do your work.
Observe.
So is it look carefully, or put things in groups, or use what you know to figure something out?
Look carefully.
There you go. Uh-oh. And it's gonna stop right there. Okay. All right. Infer. Is it, so we already used look carefully. We already used put things in groups. So the last one has to be
Look fair.
use what you know to figure something out. Kayla. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna hit finish. We're gonna hit yes. And you made 100. Yay.
Another A.
All right, and so we're gonna mark it complete. And yes, I think that is all right, Kayla. So tell everybody how your first day of school was.
It was good.
It was good. Did you have fun?
Kind of.
Kind of. You didn't enjoy your first day?
Some of the questions were complicated.
Complicated. Where'd you learn that word from? Okay, so are you ready for Monday for a whole week of school next week? No! You're embarrassing me.
Just sometimes some stuff can be hard.
That just means that you have to learn it. So I'm gonna ask you again. Are you ready for school next week for a whole week of school? You get this be on your teacher's life lessons. It's gonna be different.
I guess I'll be ready.
You're so weird and complicated. All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Okay, so what's the question?
It says that what does accessibility refer to? But I was looking through the whole thing and I haven't found it yet.
So let's look at what accessibility means. So did it tell you what accessibility means?
I don't think so.
So pretty much accessibility, yeah, go through your course reflection because I'm pretty sure that they said something about it if it's in your quick check. Boom, what do you know? What do you know? Accessibility refers to how all of the content within the course is used by all students, teachers, and learning coaches, regardless of a person's ability or disability. This includes, but it's not limited to, the text on the page, the online textbook, and the videos, tutorials, and documents. Okay, this is the last assessment for the day. Go ahead and start it.
I have read and understood the information presented in this unit. Yes.
Well, that was easy. All right, so what did you have a good day at school today?
No.
Why not?
It was hard. There's too many things to go through throughout the lesson.
So what do you think the rest of the year is going to be like then in 6th grade?
Tough.
So are you ready for it?
I mean, I guess. I like language arts and science way better. They only have a couple of things to do in there.
Okay, well, it's not about how much little less things do you have. It's about getting your lesson and learning.
And I'm more excited about the live lessons and the art.
Okay, so that wraps up our vlog for today. It has been a day from hell, I feel like. And it's just not from school. It's just specifically it was just so much going on. And I thought we was ready, but we weren't ready. We wasn't ready. So hopefully we'll be ready next week. And thanks for tuning in to this vlog. Let me know if you enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure when I edit this video, it's gonna be all over the place. So I'm apologizing now, but I'll get better, you guys. This is my first time vlogging school. So just bear with me, I'll get better. Thumbs up this video if you like it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe for more homeschool content plus other content that I do. And I'll see you guys later, bye.